He played them like a fiddle. That's what he did. And now we supported him because we thought that he was being persecuted for no good reason. And the charges were bogus. And you would hear people say, like, he's the Antichrist or he's this or that. And we're like, no, there's no way. He's a Christian. He's one of us. He's standing with us. He is one of us. I don't call myself a MAGA person. I don't call myself a Democrat. I don't call myself a Republican because I think the grouping thing is just weird because you cannot side with one party. Like, if you really understand what it is about, you cannot side with one party just for the sake of siding with one party because some policies might be good, but some of them are not good. And the systems are so interconnected that it's just a mess. The whole thing is a mess, really. It's the same thing. Left, right, doesn't matter. Everything else is about just dividing the country, creating the tension, because when you don't have tension, because he changed the game for elections, and this is one of the principles that he ran on when he ran 2016, and this is a principle in business and sales, is that for someone to take action, you have to create emotion in people. You have to create emotion. Emotion makes you act. Your thoughts, emotions drive your actions. And then the outcome happens. That is a sequence, right? But your thoughts and emotions are influenced by your environment, where you surround yourself. That is a sequence of everything. So in order to create emotions in people, you have to pick group. You have to create a group. You have to have a slogan. They call it like a cult-like following. That's what you need to create. When you create that, this is MAGA for you. When you find a group that is the enemy, you have to create your enemy. If you didn't have an enemy, you have to create the enemy. That is it. That's what he managed to achieve. He managed to find an enemy. Sometimes you'd call, depending on his position, and he's good at this. Depending on his position, you'll call this person an enemy, another person an enemy. If you look at his debates, he'll pick on something. That's just what it is. I'm tired of this whole thing. So we're just exposing everything at this point. There's no more keeping quiet and just let people just be dragged to one corner and to another corner. Because we're tired of this. Let's just let it all stop and just end. Come on. We see through it. We see through it. We just have to get out of this trance right now. Like, let's just open it up. Let's just call it what it is because we're tired. Just call it what it is. Just call it what it is. Tell as it is. People can handle the truth. People can handle the truth.